Welcome. This is a video on how to do operations on complex numbers. And we're given the instruction to simplify the expression and then to also make sure we write our answers in standard form, which is that a plus bi. Remember that a is the real part and b, the bi, that's the imaginary part. So we're going to focus on this video on the emerging value here. So we've got 3 minus I and we've got negative 6 plus 2i. So none of those are going to change. So we're going to just eliminate the parentheses. I kind of like stacking them personally. So I'm going to write 3 minus I. I'm going to leave a little space here because if you just have minus I, that's the same as minus 1i. And that might be helpful for you to write that there's a 1 there. And then I've got minus 6 plus 2i. And at this point, you can combine real with real and imaginary with imaginary. Now, you can't put I in your calculator, but you can put the coefficients, and that's what happens. It's just the same. So 3 minus 6, in your calculator, you'd find that be negative 3. That is the real part. And then you've got plus 2i and minus 1i, or vice versa. It might be easier for you to write the bigger number first. So if I've got 2 minus 1, that would be 1. So I've got plus 1i. And again, most of that time, I'm not going to write that 1. And so I'm just going to write plus I. And that is the imaginary part. Now, you cannot combine your real and your imaginary parts. And so you get to this point, you're done. You got this. Keep going. Study hard.